If you're running leads on Facebook ads and they don't convert, this will be the video for you because we're on Reddit. In this channel, I take real people, I provide real solution, and I say the truth. This is why my channel is different. So if you want the fake shit, go and watch somebody else, right? We have this guy and he says polygraph net. He says the main reason your leads have never heard of you or don't remember filling your form. The main reason your leads never heard of you or don't remember filling your form is due to a thing called click fraud. Click fraud steals at least 100 billion from advertisers every year. It steals your advertising budget, causes fake leads, and puts you at risk of breaking data privacy laws. It works like this. A scammer creates a website and monetizes it using an ad network like Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, Meta Ads, or any of the major ad networks we've all heard of. Instead of waiting for real people to visit his website and click on the ads, he uses bots. These bots, known as click fraud bots, are created using a stealth bot framework. They are routed through residential proxies and they fake their device fingerprints so they appear to be random devices on the internet. The bots may browse around the internet to simulate a real person or they may just hang around the scammer's website, but their purpose in life is to click on the ads on the scammer's website. For each of these clicks, the advertiser pays money to the ad network. The cost of the click and the money is split between the ad network and the scammer, typically in a 40-60 split. For ad networks which use a CPM model, the scammer gets paid by impression. Here's the part you'll be most interested in. The bots can't simply click on the ads. They also need to generate fake conversions such as submitting fake leads. These fake conversions trick the ad networks into thinking the clicks are from real people. A side effect of this fake conversion is they train the ad networks to send you even more bot traffic as the ad networks use conversion data to train their traffic algorithms. Another side effect is that bots commonly use real people's data in their fake leads. Of course, this means you can call the leads they have never heard of or you don't remember filling your form. And another side effect is you don't have permission to store or contact these leads, which puts you at risk of hefty fines due to breaking data privacy laws. Question and answer. Why is this happening to you? If you advertise using Advantage Plus or have the audience network turned on, your ads are appearing on the click fraud websites. Okay, so this guy says turn off advanced audience network off. There are millions of clicks for websites on the internet. Why aren't marketers making a bigger effort to prevent bot clicks and fake leads? We spoke to a lot of marketers about this off the record, and the responses were depressing. The most common issues are it's not my money, so I don't care. My KPI is the amount of visitors, number of leads, and bots make things easier. I don't want my boss to know we've wasted a ton of money on click fraud, so we pretended they don't exist. Agencies often commented that they're running their own bots. Many marketers don't know click fraud exists or is a significant problem. This isn't entirely their fault, as there is almost no media attention on the topic and it is not taught in marketing courses. Why aren't the ad networks doing something about this? The problem is that the ad networks get paid for every click or impression, real or fake. This is true. Google Ads, for example, has earned hundreds of billions from click fraud over the past 20 years. This is not a lie. Our insiders are our insiders at other ad networks tell us there is no internal motivation to do anything beyond the most basic detection. Basically, it's one huge conflict of interest. How do we solve this problem? You need to detect the bots, prevent them from submitting fake leads. This will stop your wasted ad spend, stop the fake leads, and retrain Meta to spend you money on much quality traffic and leads. You also avoid breaking data privacy laws. Happy to answer any question. So this guy makes a very, very good sense. He says that all these ad networks, they're spending a lot of money. Um, on like building their platforms. They're getting paid by impression. So the more impressions they serve clients, the better. And they don't really care if those impressions are fake or real. So it makes a lot of sense. If you run an ad on Google, you're gonna get a lot of impressions will be very very cheap, but you won't make any money. And I believe this is the reason. The reason could be a lot of fake traffic. And a lot of people on Reddit comment this makes a ton of sense. um and how do you identify and block these bots? What does the key part? And this guy says you have two options: build your own bot detection and blocking system, or pay a service to do it for you. If you go down the later round, you need to be careful to avoid the IP address. um okay, and so you should hire JavaScript programmers and stealth bot developers to build your system. So basically, building this could take a lot of money. There are some people who can help you build it, but there are also like a lot of click fraud detection services. So yeah, the discussion goes on and on and on. I won't spend time into reading the discussion. However, this guy makes a very very good sense. This is something that I'm not paying attention to for some reason. I cannot really say what's the reason. I'm too busy working on ad accounts, running ads, so I cannot say why I haven't done it before. But this is something that I could definitely look into. So if you use Microsoft Clarity, you'll be able to see what part of the traffic is fake. And oh, something is happening with my eyes. So sorry for that. So you'll be able to see what part of the traffic is fake, and you'll be able to prevent. I'm not sure if you'll be able to prevent it. You can, if you can just like exclude the audience network from your targeting, you might be able to prevent it. But there might be some fake users on Facebook as well. So keep in mind that. So yeah, definitely the first thing you could do would be to install Microsoft Clarity, and it will tell you if you're getting fake traffic. So this was the video for today. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Uh, let me audit your Facebook ads account. I'm gonna tell you what's broken and how to fix it. I'll do this for $1, and if you're not entirely happy, uh, I'll buy you a coffee, or I'll give you your $1 back, so you have nothing to lose. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Watch all my previous videos in order, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon.